To use light mode or theme for live transcribe in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live transcribe and then tap open live transcribe. Next, tap setting icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and then select more setting. Tap theme and then select live to apply it for the live transcribe. Now, when you use live transcribe, it will be displayed in light mode where it will use dark font text on light background. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.